Hello guys, today I'm giving you 5 medications that you don't usually hear about, but that you should be prepping. This video is brought to you by our Dining on a Dime cookbook where you can eat better, spend less. We have our new hardcover with gorgeous pictures to help you eat better, spend less, and save on your grocery bill today. Visit us at livingonadime.com to get your copy. All right, today I wanted to give you 5 medications that I would not be without in my emergency stash. Most of them, well, I'm looking at my list here. Most of them I haven't actually heard. I think one of them I've heard of, but the other 4, I don't ever hear anybody ever recommend it. But number 1, activated charcoal. Now, if you've never heard of activated charcoal is a really cool thing. It is charcoal, but it's safe for you to ingest. And what you do is if you take it when you get like food poisoning or you have a stomach bug or an intestinal bug, that kind of thing, it helps bind it to the bug and then it goes away a lot quicker. This is not medical advice. This is just stuff that I do. But whenever somebody gets sick to their stomach, I put a couple of those down them, and it's usually cleared up within 24 hours for my family. Next thing is vitamin D. Almost every American is low on vitamin D, and now with the whole don't eat milk thing, don't drink milk thing, it's even more so. The reason why they started adding vitamin D into milk was because people were low on vitamin D. So, get some vitamin D, get it down your family, get a good supply. So what we do is once a week, I will give the week's worth of vitamin D, and then we're not having to remember a pill every single day. Elderberry. Elderberry is great for helping with colds and viruses and that kind of thing. Really, we haven't been sick. We've been taking it for 3 years, and we haven't been sick in 3 years. We keep it down us whenever we notice anything starting. I start putting the elderberry down every few hours, and it's knocked it great. We haven't been sick for 3 years. Pooping meds. Here's the thing, guys. If you suffer from constipation, you're going to be real unpleasant when the fecal matter hits the oscillation unit. Now, in your case, it may not be hitting the oscillation unit, but you know what I mean. Yeah, we have a major economic downturn, whatever. If you're constipated, you are not going to be happy. So get some pooping medicine. Magnesium is great. Just get you some magnesium pills. Those work great. That's my go-to. But if you like Miralax or whatever, use whatever you want. But get some medicine on hand. Then for the other spectrum of that, get some Imodium to help if you have diarrhea. Because if you eat something and it doesn't get caught by the activated charcoal, you're not going to want to be having diarrhea issues when things are going really bad. Now, here's another note. Activated charcoal will absorb your medication, so you have to take it away from your medications if you're taking something. So, if you take activated charcoal, you can't take Imodium right at the same time. It'll just absorb it and it won't really do you any good. So, take it away from your medications. Those are the 5 things I keep in my emergency kit all times. Make sure we always have a good supply of those 5 things. Please visit us at livingonadime.com for more tips on how to save money and get out of debt.